Welcome to our video. Today we will talk about how to create a beautiful small garden at your home. Even if you don't have much space, and small garden can bring and beauty, peace and fresh air to your life. Let's get started today. Choose the right place, first option for you, and first look around your home and find a good spot for your garden. It can be your balcony, terrace, backyard, and even small corner. Inside your home, the place should get enough sunlight because most plants need light to grow well. And my video part 2, use small pots to container. In a small garden you don't need big space. You can use small pots to container and hanging baskets. You can even reuse old baskets and plastic bottles or wooden boxes. This seven money saves money, and give your unique look to your garden. My video part of 3, to pick easy and to grow plants. To choose plants that are easy to grow and take care of. Some good option are money plant, aloe vera, spider plant, and herbs like a mint, basil, and coriander. You can also growing small flowering plants like a marigold and putinea and pansy. So my video part 5, if you don't have much some floor spaces to vertical garden, you can hang pots on wall, use shelves and create a vertical stand. This way you can grow plants in small area and keep in small and clean, and small garden look better when it is simple. And you need to clean to don't overcrowd to space with too many plants. Leave some empty space of move around. Clean pots and the regularly keep your garden fresh and healthy. Water your plant regularly, but do not overwater them. Each plant need different amount of water. Learn about your plant and give them water is as needed. And overwatering can damage the roots. And some add a decoration. My video part of 6, to you can add the small garden decoration like a colorful stones and garden lights, small status to fairy lights. These decoration make your garden a more beautiful and give a peaceful vibe, especially at night. And compost fertilizer, video part of 7, use natural compost fertilizer. You keep your plant healthy. You can make a compost and home using kitchen waste like fruit peels, vegetables scraps, and eggshells. And this is eco-friendly and save money. Enjoy your garden. To spend some time daily in your garden, you can drink tea and read a book to just relax, and plants reduce stress and make you feel happy. And small garden can be your personal peaceful corner. And gardening can be fun family activity. Involve your children and family members. Is teaches to patience, pretend patience, care to love of nature. Kids enjoying planting seeds to watching them now. And protect and post this video. Keep an eye on pests like insects and snails that can harm your plant. Use natural methods like neem oil spray and soap water to protect your plant to pests. Remember, you can that plants changing to its season, and in summer choose plant that love heat. In water, choose a plant that can survive cold. The way your garden will be stay green all years. Use smart ways to save water. And in gardening, water your plants in early in morning or late in evening. To using watering can interested of pipe. You can also collect rainwater to to your plant. And growing vegetables, you can also growing small vegetable like tomatoes, chilies and green onions and latex. Home growing vegetables are fresh, healthy and chemical free. This is a great way to save money and eat healthy food. Lighting your garden to good lighting and man can make your small garden look and magical at night. Use small solar lights, LED lights and fairy lights. Decorate your garden in evening. You and my video part of 8. If you have space, add the small chairs to bench and you can sit here and enjoying your green space. A small table can